Hey, quick heads up. I'm not a SEBI-registered advisor. This is just for your information, so make sure you dig deeper before making any moves, okay? Did you know India just scrapped a 117-year-old law? The Indian Ports Act of 1908 is gone, replaced by the brand new Indian Ports Bill 2025. Now this isn't just paperwork. This is like reorganizing the entire bloodstream of India's economy. Over 95% of our trade by volume moves through ports. So when the rules change, it's a huge deal. Let's break down what it means for investors and listed companies. First, all ports, major and minor, will work together thanks to new councils and boards. That means less red tape, faster clearances, and smoother expansion. Companies like Adani Ports and JSW Infrastructure could be big winners here. Second, digitization is the name of the game. Imagine port operations with less paperwork and more speed. Gateway Distriparks and APL Apollo tubes stand to gain from quick cargo movement and lower costs. Third, tariffs are going transparent. No more guesswork. Uniform guidelines mean companies like Concor and Elecon can plan and bid smarter. Fourth, it's an ESG boost. Stricter environmental rules will attract foreign investors and lower costs for companies like Great Eastern Shipping and Adani Ports that already follow global standards. Fifth, quicker dispute resolution means fewer project delays. Firms like Reliance Infra and IRB Infra could see faster returns. Sixth, coastal shipping gets a push, cheaper, greener, and integrated with rail and waterways. Think Barmer Lorry and Dredging Corp. And finally, the bill makes it easier for private money to flow in. More PPPs, clearer contracts, a win for L&T, Cochin Shipyard, and more. Bottom line, this new law could be a game changer for port stocks, logistics, and infra players. Keep these names on your radar, but remember, always do your homework before you invest.